Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Sienna radio. Resetting your radio can be a quick fix for many common problems, such as a frozen screen, Bluetooth connectivity issues, or unresponsive buttons. It essentially gives your system a fresh start, clearing out temporary errors. We will cover two main methods: a simple soft reset and a more comprehensive hard reset, ensuring you can get your audio system working perfectly again. For a quick fix, try a soft reset. Simply locate the power button on your Sienna's audio system. Press and hold this button for about 10 to 15 seconds. The screen should go blank and then restart. This process is similar to restarting a computer and can often clear up minor software hiccups, restoring normal functionality without erasing your saved radio stations or personalized settings. If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset might be necessary. This involves disconnecting your vehicle's battery. First, ensure your Sienna is completely off. Locate your car battery, usually under the hood. Using a wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign. Leave it disconnected for at least 10 minutes to fully drain any residual power, then reconnect it securely. After performing either reset, your radio should power back on. You might need to re-enter any navigation destinations, pair your Bluetooth devices, or reset your clock. Take a moment to test all functions, including radio, media, and navigation, to ensure everything is working correctly. If the issues continue after both a soft and hard reset, it might indicate a deeper hardware problem, and we recommend contacting a professional Toyota service center for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.